guys, have you ever wondered how to protect your family's immune system as your kids head back to school? What about a nervous child who needs a little support? Or maybe a child who needs a little boost to focus? Today I'm here to talk with you about the back to school basics that will keep you guys healthy, focused, and grounded, all with natural remedies. We've got the powerful immune boosting and ultra focusing essential oil blends that will help you adjust to the back to school season with ease. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who's made the swap to natural wellness for her family, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I upload a video. Stick around until the end and I'll share a download for my free guide of all my tried and true back to school doTERRA products, immunity and protective DIYs, and immune boosting diffuser blends. Hi, I'm Amy Connor and I have been helping people lead a natural, healthier way of life since 2013. I'm a mom to 2 sets of boy-girl twins and an Army wife. With a master's degree in mental health counseling and an essential oil expert with doTERRA, I seek to empower you and your loved ones to live a natural health and wellness lifestyle. Let's jump right in. Have you ever wondered how to protect your family's immune system as your kids head back to school? What about a nervous child who needs a little support, or maybe a child who needs a little encouragement to focus? Stronger, with the combo of immune boosting oils, this blend is formulated for the entire family that will be a necessary new best friend. With oils such as cedarwood, litsea, frankincense, and rose essential oils combined with fractionated coconut oil, this blend is just what the body needs to do battle with all the back to school yucks. Brave, also known as our courage blend, this little gem packs a good punch for all those pesky back to school jitters. Wild orange, amaris, osmanthus, and cinnamon bark packed in a roller ball with fractionated coconut oil. This blend will bring the brightness of citrus with the warm hints of spice. This is for the child or mom who needs a quick reminder that they can accomplish anything they put their mind to. Do you have any tried and true natural back to school recipes that you have used? I know my subscribers would love to hear what's worked for you and your family. Now for that third blend. Thinker. This blend works so well as a study blend or as a blend to help get you ready for the day ahead. With oils like vetiver, peppermint, clementine, and rosemary and some fractionated coconut oil, this blend is helpful with boosting energy, supporting mental clarity, and focusing all that excess energy in your student. You guys made it to the end. As promised, download my free tried and true back to school immunity DIY diffuser blends. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who's made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified every time I upload a video.